Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 9, sprite properties. So this is where it's going to get a little more fun and exciting. So it says new properties. Sprites have lots of properties. Check out the 2 new blocks in this activity and try them out for yourself. Notice that different sprites can use the same animation and still look different because of properties. So do this. Run the program to see what is different about the first 2 notes. Notice how the rotation and scale blocks make the first 2 notes look different. Use the same blocks on the last 2 notes to make them look different too. Use the rotation and scale blocks on the last 2 notes. So first off, let's run it and see what we have. All right, so we've got notes across the top of the screen. We've got our drums. Okay, so it says run the program to see what is different about the first 2 notes. So I would say that they are angled differently, so rotation, and then they're scaled differently. So this one's much smaller, this one's slightly smaller. So we need to do the same thing to notes 3 and 4. So let's get that started. We're going to do scale here, and then we're going to do rotation here. Oh, no, we're not. I'm going to put it right underneath. There we go. So scale for this one, we're going to make, we've got, if you look here, note 1 is 0.3 and 20% rotation or 20 pixel rotation. I'm not quite sure what that is. It's either percent or pixel. Um, and then same thing for here. So scale is 0.7, so that would be 70%. And then, so that would be 70% of the original size. So this one would be 30% of the original size. So this one, let's make this one 50%, so 0.5. And then for rotation, if, okay, so we have one that's 20, so it's going to the right, and one that's negative 30, so that's going to the left. So for this one, we need, let's go to the right again, and we're going to say 40. All right, so let's see what that looks like. Reset and run. Uh-oh. So what did I do wrong? I did not reset the sprite. So let's do that. We got note 3 and note 3. All right, let's try it again. Reset and run. Excellent. So we can see 1, 2, 3. Now, and maybe 40 is a bit much. Let's do 30. So reset and run. There we go. All right, so we're going to do that one more time for the next one. And now I know that I absolutely have to rename my sprite. So let's do that. We're going to get out of that. And we're going to say note 4 scale is going to, you know what? Let's say this, let's go 90. We're going to go 90%. All right, so note 4, we're going to say rotation is going to be negative 10. All right, so reset and run. And there we go. That looks fun. All right, so we're done with level 3. We're going to click on finish, and I will see you on the next level.